How does a meaningful life? Because ultimately, isn't that what we all want? We want to lead a life, so that, however, we transition, people can say, wow, that was a bright one. No, my topic is greatness. How is the connection between happiness and gratefulness? Many people would say, well, that's very easy. When you are happy, you are grateful. But think again, it's really the happy people that are grateful. We all know quite a number of people who have everything that it will take to be happy, and they are not happy because they want something else. We are know people who have lots of misfortune and pretty. So, it is not happiness that makes us grateful. It's gratefulness that makes us happy. Think it's happiness that makes you grateful. Think again. Say, thank you for grace. Thank you for mercy. Thank you for understanding. Thank you for wisdom. Thank you for parents. Thank you for love. Thank you for kindness. Thank you for humility. Thank you for peace. Thank you for prosperity. Say thank you in advance for what's already yours. Say thank you in advance for what is already yours. True desire in the heart for anything good is God's proof to you sit beforehand, to indicate that it's yours already. No, there's a saying that says, what you appreciate appreciates, what you appreciate in life actually appreciates. Meaning it grows, and so is your quick brain challenger. Quick challenge, if you will, I'm going to encourage you to express that gratitude. So imagine this, imagine you have a thought experiment where you do this every single day of your willing. But if the only things in your life tomorrow are the things you express gratitude for today, let me say that again. But if the only things in your life, you have the people, the opportunities, the resources, the objects, all the things. But if the only things you kept tomorrow are the things you express gratitude for today, would you live? And doesn't feel to feel grateful? It's amazing, right? Because somebody can have everything and not appreciate it, and it feels like they have nothing, but somebody could have very little resources but they feel so grateful and appreciative. They have everything. Alright, and so what I want you to do as part of your challenge today is to express your gratitude in one of two ways. You could express it with people around you, and that's wonderful. Talk to your family, talk to your friends, express gratitude for the person that lives or delivers your mail wherever you are. Express gratitude for them and or express gratitude in a journal. A lot of people, they like to express gratitude by writing things down. So it's verbally is great, but also writing things down. Kinesthetically, there's something about putting pen to paper and to be able to see all those things. Some people, what they'll do is they'll write a little note card. One thing they're grateful for that day, and they'll put it into like a fishbowl. And then at the end of like 5 days after a year, they just go and read all those things, and I even just get goosebumps thinking about that. I call them truth bumps, but it just how do you come alive that way? And so my challenge for you today is you deserve to feel like you have more than you think you have. Like if you want to feel truly wealthy, count all of the things you have in your life that money cannot buy. I think that it comes from a deep sense of awareness about who you are and why you're here. It comes from being in touch with, on a regular basis. The appreciation and the holy gratitude should fill each of our hearts on a regular basis, just knowing what a privilege it is to be here and to be